Your car's cabin air filter plays a crucial role in maintaining fresh interior air quality. This often overlooked component is your first line of defense against airborne contaminants. Cabin air filters trap dust, pollen, exhaust fumes, and countless other airborne particles before they can enter your vehicle's interior through the ventilation system. Over time, these trapped particles accumulate and the filter becomes clogged. This creates the perfect breeding ground for bacteria and mold to flourish in the moist, dark environment. This bacterial and mold growth leads to musty, stale odors that circulate throughout your car's interior every time you turn on the air conditioning or heating system. A clogged filter also restricts proper airflow, leading to moisture buildup that further contributes to unpleasant smells and creates an even more favorable environment for microbial growth. The statistics are alarming. 67% of drivers have never replaced their cabin air filter. This widespread neglect means most cars are circulating contaminated air through their interiors. Replacing your cabin air filter is a simple yet highly effective solution. A clean filter eliminates odor-causing bacteria and mold while restoring proper airflow to prevent future moisture buildup and contamination. The famous new car smell comes from volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, released by plastics, adhesives, and interior fabrics. While you cannot fully replicate this chemical signature, there are proven methods to restore freshness to your vehicle. Clean air circulation through a fresh cabin air filter allows subtle material scents to become more noticeable, mimicking that new car freshness. The key is replacing your old, dirty filter with a clean one. For an extra boost of freshness, add 2 to 3 drops of essential oils to the clean side of your new filter. Eucalyptus, lavender, or citrus oils work best and will provide a pleasant, natural scent for weeks. Replace your cabin air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or annually. However, if you drive in urban areas with heavy pollution or dusty environments, consider changing it every 6 to 8 months for optimal performance. By replacing the filter yourself, you can save an average of $45 to $65 compared to dealership service. This simple maintenance task takes just minutes and keeps your car smelling fresh while saving money.